Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video we built our first artifacts, but those were kind of like snapshots. You build it, it works, but the moment you close it, anything you typed in is gone. Today we are making them interactive artifacts that actually remember your data and even ones that can think for you using AI built right inside them. This is where artifacts go from cool little demos to real tools you will actually use every day. Let's get into it. So first, what do we mean by interactive? A basic artifact is great, but it doesn't remember anything. Type something in, close it, come back, it's blank again. An interactive artifact is different. We are covering two big upgrades today. Number one, storage. So your artifact saves your data and it's still there when you come back. And number two, AI-powered artifacts, where Claude's intelligence runs inside the tool itself. Let's start with storage. Normally, if you build something like a tracker and type stuff into it, that data disappears when you leave. But artifacts can now save your data, so when you come back later, everything is still there. Perfect for trackers, journals, logs, reading lists, anything you add to over time. Quick note, saving data across sessions is a paid plan feature, so you will want to be on Pro or higher for this part. Now let's build one. In a new chat, I will type, build me a daily habit tracker. Where I can add habits and check them off each day and make it save my data so it stays there when I come back, and enter. Claude builds it on the right. Now let me add a few habits. Drink water, read, exercise, and check a couple off. Looking good. Now here's the magic. Watch. I'm going to refresh the page completely. And look, everything is still here. My habits, my check marks, all saved. It remembered. That's the storage feature working. You have just built a tool you can come back to day after day. And you can do this with almost anything you track over time. A workout log, an expense tracker, a reading list, a mood journal. Just describe what you want and add the words. Save my data so it's still there when I come back, and Claude handles the rest. Now the second upgrade. And this one is wild. AI-powered artifacts. These have Claude's intelligence built right inside the artifact. So the tool doesn't just sit there, it can actually generate things, answer things, and respond on its own. So instead of a static tool, you get a little app that thinks. Let me show you. I will type, build me a flashcard study app, where I type in any topic, and the AI generates quiz questions and answers for me. And enter. Claude builds it. You can build a writing helper, an idea generator, a tutor. The possibilities are huge. One thing to know, because these use Claude's intelligence in the background, anyone using one will need to be signed into a Claude account. So keep that in mind if you share it. So let's put it together. With storage, think habit tracker, expense logs, journals, reading lists, anything you add to over time and want to keep. With AI-powered artifacts, think quiz makers, writing assistants, idea generators, study tools, little apps that actually do the thinking for you. And the best part, you build all of it just by describing it in plain language. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, if you want your artifact to remember data, just say so in your prompt. Tell Claude, make it save my data. That's the trigger. Second, always test it. Refresh or reopen the artifact to confirm your data actually persists before you start relying on it. Third, start simple. Build a basic version first, then ask Claude to add features one at a time. Fourth, remember storage is a paid plan feature and AI-powered artifacts need you to be signed in. And fifth, Be specific in your prompts. The clearer you describe the tool, the better it comes out the first time. And that's interactive artifacts. You now know how to build artifacts that remember your data and ones that have Claude's intelligence running right inside them. This is generally where artifacts get powerful. So go build yourself a tracker you will actually use and watch it remember everything tomorrow. In the next video, we will keep going. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped. Leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.